What happened?
Someone pulled over at the last second. And there's a cop. And they pulled him over. Ha ha ha!
Wow. Wait, pulled over where?
Right at the lane divide where the pylons.
Yeah.
Come on, go flying around me. Go flying around me. Go flying around me. Go flying around me.
Doing it. Okay, Garmin, take video. Two.
The way you look should be your sin, you my sensation. God. I know I'm preaching to the congregation. We love
Yeah, they're all
Jesus.
flying.
We done learned a lot from Satan.
Look at it.
He's at least 85.
Oh! Yes! Yes! Woo! Go get him, cowboy! Woo! Go get him!
In prison as the fourth person convicted.
Can signal as you're turning.
The circuit court judge sentenced compared to he's also registered as a Western Michigan University says all students will be required to wear face masks in classrooms this fall, regardless of vaccination status. Outside of the classroom, those who are fully vaccinated are not required to keep their faces covered unless otherwise noted. The university says physical distancing will also be.
I love that song too. I went and listened to it after I watched the episode. It's not the song I would play at a birthday party. No, probably not. But I love that song. People are gonna sneak off from this party and they're gonna have some cake in the warehouse. The warehouse is the sneak site, clearly. Her fiance? She doesn't have any guilt about it. I guess not. She has no problem sleeping at That was a really interesting thing to say because baklava is very, very sweet. Like if you've lost your I eat too much of it and I get a stomach ache because, you know, they give you a tiny piece because they're just so good. Well, that's what happens with you. You're always like, Ange, look how cute, it's so tiny. I know. And then you're like, Ange, I have a stomach ache. I know. Dwight, Holly, Michael, and Ronnie.
This is going to be good. Thank you, Mr. Cadillac. All right, my friend, light him up. Bye-bye, honey.
I got behind me. Oh, oh yeah. Insta karma, baby. Insta karma, baby. Insta karma. Come on, go around. Where's the cop? Yeah. Go, go, go.
Later, karma pays back right away.
Police reported ahead.
How's your racing career, boy? Huh?